Welcome back to Home's Decor Designs, your ultimate destination for everything outside the home. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Your driveway gate is far more than just a barrier. It is the very first impression your home makes to the world, setting the tone for your entire property's exterior aesthetic. Whether you are aiming to enhance security, boost your curb appeal, or create a grand entrance that commands attention, choosing the right gate design can completely redefine your property's outer perimeter. Today we are diving into the most captivating, stylish, and modern driveway gate design ideas that will elevate your outdoor living space and turn your entrance into a breathtaking visual masterpiece. A driveway gate serves as a primary entry control point and an architectural focal point for your home's exterior landscape. Incorporating a well-designed driveway gate is essential for multiple reasons. First, elevated curb appeal and property value. A striking gate instantly creates an aura of luxury, style, and refined taste, significantly increasing your home's resale value and overall visual impact. Second, enhanced security and peace of mind. It establishes a clear physical boundary that deters unwanted visitors, keeps children and pets safe inside the yard, and adds an essential layer of privacy. And third, architectural harmony. A carefully selected gate bridges the gap between your home's architecture, fencing, and landscaping, creating a seamless and cohesive exterior design flow from the street to your front door. Driveway gates add privacy and security to your home, keeping kids, pets, and cars safe while enhancing curb appeal. Made from materials such as wood, aluminum, vinyl, or wrought iron, there are driveway gates to suit any home style. Choose from swing gates to sliding, pocket, manual, or automatic gates depending on your preferences, budget, and the size and layout of your driveway. Check out these amazing driveway gate ideas for inspiration. One, rustic driveway gate. Choose a driveway gate that takes its cues from the surrounding environment. This rustic reclaimed wood gate is built into a stacked stone wall that complements the wooded setting on a bluff with a view of the Hudson River. 2. Automatic sliding gate. An automatic gate opens and closes at the push of a button, a sleek option for those with the budget to install one. This high, dark gray aluminum sliding gate gives the front of this suburban home a fortress-like quality. A swing gate. Hinged swing driveway gates open inward or outward. They can be manual or automatic and require adequate clearance on both sides. 4. Vinyl driveway gate. Choose a driveway gate made from heavy-duty vinyl that will stand up to the elements better than metal or wood. Easy to clean. A vinyl fence won't require repainting to look its best. 5. Pocket driveway gate. This Los Angeles property is closed in with wood slat fencing and an integrated pocket driveway gate. The warm tone of the wood slats and black metal frame support of the gate modernize the home while protecting it from the street. 6. Aluminum gate with cutout. Aluminum gates are sturdy, weather-resistant, and low-maintenance. Flower stem cutout details on the top panel give this high double gate a more welcoming feel. 7. Wrought iron driveway gate. Wrought iron is a classic material that works well in traditional settings like this Hudson Valley, New York property. Crisp architects topped a pair of monumental stone pillars with painted crown molding and finials to add a sense of grandeur. 8. Contemporary driveway gate. This sleek black driveway gate adds privacy to the home, revealing only a glimpse of the contemporary home on the other side. 9. Black sliding pocket gate. Pair a modern black sliding driveway gate with a white stucco wall around your property for a contemporary look. A pedestrian pocket gate creates a barrier between the sidewalk and your driveway for added security. 10. Colorful blue driveway gate. This modern driveway gate is painted in a fresh shade of blue that modernizes the neutral facade and stone walls of this home. The half-opaque, half-open style allows light to pass through and makes it feel welcoming to visitors. 11. Custom sign driveway gate. This driveway gate from Crisp Architects includes the name of the property, a family-owned winery in Millbrook, New York. The gate also features wrought iron tree branch detailing with touches of yellow and gold leaves for a decorative touch. 12. Painted wrought iron. Painting a wrought iron fence will allow you to lighten up the look or add an accent color. It will also make your driveway fence more durable by helping to protect it from rust. 13. Peekaboo driveway gate. A semi-opaque black driveway gate allows some light to pass through. On this tree-lined gravel driveway in St. Helena, California, the understated gate allows the lush green landscaping and sculptural tree canopy to take center stage. 14. Chevron pattern wood gate. This chevron pattern driveway gate adds visual interest and breaks up the straight lines of the brown wood fencing around the property. The natural stained wood and visible graining add warmth. 15. Driveway gate landscaping. Soften the look of your driveway gate with landscaping. Plant bright and colorful flowering bushes to make your front entry look more inviting. Investing in a thoughtfully designed driveway gate is one of the most effective ways to blend functionality, security, and high-end exterior design into one seamless feature. From sleek minimalist metal work to warm organic timber structures, the perfect gate does not just secure your perimeter. It tells a story about the care and craftsmanship inside your home. Take inspiration from these ideas, consider your home's unique architectural language, and choose a design that brings confidence and beauty to your entrance every single day. If you enjoyed these inspiring driveway gate design ideas, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Homes Decor Designs, and click the notification bell so you never miss our ultimate exterior design guides. Which gate style was your absolute favorite? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts.